Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I would like to give you today a 4-pack of penny stock picks for your perusal and your own research, because you always want to do your own due diligence, do your own research, make your own decisions. But I like these 4, and I think they have huge possibilities. So I want to thank InvestorPlace.com for these picks. First one I'd like to highlight today is NextNav, NN stock on the NASDAQ exchange. They provide GPS, Global Positioning System services, but they specialize in GPS systems that would come in handy in buildings and urban areas where satellite-based GPS signals cannot reach. Customers use the company's urban and indoor positioning for public safety and commercial applications. So I like specialization. I think that's a good idea to have a niche market sometimes. And their Pinnacle network, according to the company, is deployed in over 4,400 cities in the U.S. So they already have quite a broad network already, a decent-sized market footprint. So what do analysts think? Well, the average analyst price target is $14.63. Wow. No guarantees it's going to get there, of course, but right now the stock price, as I'm making this video, is $2 and change. So imagine if it went up to $14.63, that would be quite a move. Quite a lot of potential profits there, I would say. Stock pick number 2 among penny stocks is Boxed, BOXD, on the New York Stock Exchange. They've been around since 2013. It's an e-commerce grocery platform that sells bulk consumables. So they're combining e-commerce and food delivery. It also licenses its e-commerce software to enterprise retailers, but that's a small part of its business. Only around 4% of the revenues recently came from software and services business for this company. Grocery sales accounted for almost all, 95% or so, of the total revenues taken in by Boxed. This is a very confident company. They expect business-to-business demand to increase amid the reopening. So this could be a winner. Yeah. And average analyst price target, $12. So what is Boxed trading at as I'm recording this? Well, I know it's not $12. So analysts expecting $12. And the price, as I'm making this video, $1 and change. So imagine if it gets even close to $12. Even if it gets to $5, that would be pretty impressive. So big potential there. Okay, the next one is Pitney Bowes, PBI, penny stock on the New York Stock Exchange. Global shipping and mailing company that provides technology, logistics, and financial services in the U.S. and internationally. Here's what I like about this one maybe the most. If you like dividends, this is huge. 4.4% dividend yield. Now, for a penny stock, that's pretty big, pretty generous of the company. So I know it says it has a closing price of $4 and change, but I remember it's around $3 and change, if I recall correctly. Whoops, PBI, let me see. Prices change, so articles come out and then the price could be different by the time you read the article. Yeah, it's $3 and change, closer to $4. And that dividend yield though, and also it's a value stock. PE ratio trailing 12 month of 15.2. Not too bad. And strong first quarter results. And yeah, reducing their debt by $99 million during the first quarter in order to strengthen the balance sheet of the company. Not too bad. So I like this one. Pitney Bowes, PBI. So if you believe in logistics, technology services, it's diversified, and financial services. But mainly if you believe in dividends. That's kind of what this one's all about. All right. Pretty affordable too. Right now, $3 and change. $3 and change. Finally, Arrival, ARVL stock. If you believe in electric vehicle stocks, this company is all about vans and buses. So this could be a multi-bagger possibly if electric vehicle stocks will finally stop correcting to the downside and come back up. This could have a huge upswing because it's a penny stock, okay? And these highly affordable, low-priced stocks can have big moves to the upside and to the downside as well. Again, no guarantees any of these will go up, but this one corrected big time to the downside. So now you got to be patient with this one. All right, they're coming out with vehicles in terms of production. Arrival expects to commence UK production of saleable buses during this half of the year, second half of 2022, and then other production targets for third quarter and fourth quarter of this year. Overall, 400 to 600 vans are expected to be produced this year. So, that's not a ton. I get it. But this is how small companies are. They can become big companies. Low price stocks can become higher price stocks. With a unique micro factory approach, production commencement, and an order backlog of 143,000 vehicles. So they could be producing quite a lot more. So you might decide to be bullish on ARVL stock. Let's see what the price is. ARVL for Arrival. As I am recording this, share price according to Yahoo Finance, $1 and change. Pretty affordable. Don't know what the analysts think the upside target is right now, but if, let's say, Tesla and other electric vehicle stocks like NIO, that kind of thing, if they go up, there's an old saying, rising tide lifts all boats. Doesn't always work. Not always true, but this could lift Arrival if an electric vehicle turnaround or comeback happens. So there are 4 penny stock picks for you to choose from, and I want you to research them and consider which ones you'd like to invest in, if any of them. I'm going to keep on bringing you more picks, more ideas, so stay tuned. I will talk to you again very soon.